Before you try these two CSS properties by yourself, let's take a look at another possibility. We can move the style attribute and its value from the p tag to the body tag. But what kind of difference will that make? The experiment result showed no difference. Whether we assign the style attribute to the p tag or the body tag, the results are still the same. But if we assign the style attribute to the body tag, all texts will be affected. The effective range of the two CSS properties are now the whole body tag. If we assign style attribute to the p tag, the newly added text will not be affected. This means the effective range of the two CSS properties has been limited to the p tag. Elements outside of that p tag will not be affected at all. So here comes the question. Which tag should we choose? The body tag or the p tag? One suggestion is, as long as your needs can be met, a smaller effective range is always preferable. Therefore, in this case, we recommend the p tag for you.